Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche Cayman. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for your perfect driving position. This ensures maximum comfort and control. Also, spend a few minutes familiarizing yourself with the dashboard and all the primary controls. A quick check of fluid levels and tire pressure, typically around 32 psi, is always a good idea for safety and performance. Now, let's get moving. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to start the engine. With the engine running, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot and select first gear. Then, slowly and smoothly begin to release the clutch while simultaneously applying a gentle amount of throttle with your right foot. This coordinated movement is key to a smooth takeoff, preventing any stalling or jerky starts. Once you're moving, mastering gear changes is next. As you accelerate, let the engine rev a bit, then fully depress the clutch, shift to the next higher gear, and smoothly release the clutch while applying throttle. For downshifts, a quick blip of the throttle to match engine revolutions will make the transition much smoother. Practice makes perfect for these precise movements, ensuring a fluid driving experience. Finally, let's talk about cornering and stopping. When approaching a corner, brake before you enter the turn, not during it. Maintain a steady, light throttle through the corner to keep the car balanced and maximize grip. To stop, apply progressive pressure to the brake pedal, and as you slow down to about 5 miles per hour, depress the clutch fully to prevent stalling, bringing the car to a complete halt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.